And we're back for a little power hour. Whoa. What's poppin'? The market making a move higher here today. Look at that breakout earlier off of that pivot point there at the 80s. Now up there to the 646s. Like we said earlier, that 615 level. Bang, 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 baby. We are in it. We are about it. It is happening. The market's moving. Let's go, everybody. All right. So, looking here at the NASDAQ, it's power hour. Well, we got a little bit more time. A little bit more time till the actual power hour, but... Oh. There we go, power hour. So, right now, the trend here on the NASDAQ... See if we start getting a little bit of a pullback here. That 40 level, trying to hold us up for now. 5-minute chart there. What is power hour? Well, sir, power hour is between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. It's the greatest time of your life, basically. I mean, it's a lot of fun. But if you really want to have fun, stick around until 350. That's when the market really gets going. Isn't the market going to close? No, it's going to close at 4 o'clock. Right now, it's only 2:49. Got a little bit longer until close. So as of right now, the NASDAQ pushing up here above the pivot, pulling back. Looking to see, we talked about earlier this idea of pushing up there to the 660s. There it is, 660, I think on the dot, or 53. No, 57 was the high there. And right now, this 15-minute channel that we're in. Can we hold the 40s now? The dollar question. NASDAQ needs to hold 40s. Let's say, I think if we can't hold 40s here, we might be moving back to that pivot. Market just sitting there. If the 40s can hold, I think we'll push through 60s there next. This trend here, but right now, the dollar is starting to push back up, so let's see what the dollar is going to do here. Dollar's kind of breaking out, actually. Dollar's starting to push back up. NASDAQ looking weak here at the 40s now. We should move back down. Back down. Dollar breaking out. There's the move through the 40s, down there to the 30s. Ding, 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 ding. She still going. Crypto Jeff, let's go. Right now, we're looking at the 3-minute chart. Market pushing back up here. A 3-minute candle right back up. 2-minute candle stuck below the 40s. Is this a trap before squeezing higher? Oh, buddy. We're gonna find out. I know, looks bad. Below 40s, not good. Below the 40s here, NASDAQ moving back down there to that pivot. End of day here. Want some music. I want that music. Makes me louder music. She just makes me music. Down there through the 30s. Dude, I can't do this music shit no more. I can't do it. NASDAQ chopping around here at the 30s for end of day. Trying to decide which way it wants to go here. Oh, there we go. Chill out music for work. Deep futures. NASDAQ right back up there towards the 40s again. Chop City McChopperson here. Maybe a little head and shoulders type move here. Do. What do you think? Take it short through there. Short. Tesla earnings after hours today. Ruh-roh, that's gonna be wild. Wild. Absolutely wild. Right now we're looking at the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart on the NASDAQ. Starting to get a little bit of a setup here. See which way this breaks to the downside, to the upside here. If we get back above that 40 level. Kind of needs to get above 45s or so. Oh, this is. If we get denied there at the 40s, see if they trap that 40 level there. Just watch that 40 level here. Up there to the 40s again. See what this candle closed at. 2-minute candle right now. If the NASDAQ can get through this level, I think the end of day, like 690s or so. Head and shoulder is still a possibility, but right now looking like it wants to break that 45 level, so. NASDAQ looking like it wants to just squeeze straight up here. Oh, buddy. Through that 50 level. Do. Get one more little pullback. Let's get one more little pullback here. The blow off. Straight back down there. Oh, buddy. To the pivot again. There's the trap. Wowzers. Right back to that pivot point. $3 o'clock. Was that the 3 o'clock candle? 3:01 candle. So kind of holding up down there at the bottom for now. Bounced off the pivot point. I will not be trading the Tesla earnings. Everybody keeps asking about it. NASDAQ trying to push back up into this fair value gap there, the 33s. If we stay below this 40 level, I think we get down. Dollar showing some strength, trying to push back up here. NASDAQ chopping around. Pivot point coming up there. There she goes. The market, where you gonna go? Cotton Eye Joe, but don't do. The last 2 days that I've done Power Hour, there's been no power. That's just fucked. Sorry, I was looking at some insurance paperwork for my new boat real quick. Looks like I got me a new boat. NASDAQ back up here again. Bouncing off that pivot point. One more time. Market straight back down, 17,612. Dollar trying to push up here. NASDAQ holding below. All right, we're sitting right here at this pivot point. Going nowhere right now, 6:15. 15-minute pulled back into that resistance. Previous area of a resistance. Will that turn into support? VWAP's all the way down at the 500 area, so down here. Or down at the 515 area. Again, holding up at that pivot, pushing right back up there. If we flip this 30 level, well, then I think we go higher there. Wants to see how that 30 area. Watching that, there's two key levels right here, 15, 30. We push up here to 30 again, get denied. Maybe do one more and then get the breakdown here. Or maybe we just break straight down from here as well. So let's see what happens. Dollar is trying to break out. Five-minute chart holding up at that previous area of resistance. Both the dollar and the NASDAQ right now, like, oof. Who's gonna win this battle? Well, I think we're gonna go up here. If we get through that 30 level right there on the 5-minute chart, at least pop up to 40s or so. She's trying to pop up here. All right, now we need to see if we can get an actual breakout to get through here up there into the 40s. Nasdaq trying to push it. There's that breakout, like we said, on the 5-minute chart through the 30s now, up there, almost to 40s. Get it through the 40s right there. And then we want to see a higher low here in this level. Higher low at this level. Oh, buddy. Pivot points. You gotta love them. Market's still going straight up here now. Someone goes, I can't believe how good those pivot points work. Well, who would have thought? Who would have thought? Got stuck right there at the 43s. Coming it back down. Just draw our line like this now. See, we're good. Got to keep this price action up here. If we keep dipping down, we're moving back down to that. This gotta basically, if you're looking for the bull move, you're looking for that right there, basically turning up right here, right now. See if we get that pullback here into the pivot. Once again. VWAP down there at the 520s. Just kind of waiting to see what happens to this structure here. Right now, watching to see what we got here. If we don't get some better price action here soon, I'm just gonna turn it off. Just gotta turn it off. Shark Bait said that's a buy. All right, Shark Bait. I'm doing it for Shark Bait. My life is in your hands, Mr. Shark Bait. I was waiting for somebody in the chat to tell me when to buy so that I could buy. Shark Bait, if it doesn't work out, can you please send me money? It's not looking good, Shark Bait. Not looking good. Magic 8 Ball. Will this market go up? Chances aren't good. Oh, God. Shark Bait, what's happening? I don't know. I do think this could be the possible higher low that we need for this next move up. Oh, God. That's not what we wanted to see there. We wanted to see the reverse. We wanted to see that breakout through 30s. Oh, God. Ooh, buddy. Agua, por favor. You could watch behind the scenes. Patrick Wieland. Behind the scenes. Behind the scenes. Action, so. NASDAQ sitting right here below the 30s, not looking too good. Stuck there at the 30s again. Let's see if my feeling is right. Can we get through the 30s? Oh, buddy. I took a trade because the chat told me it was a buy, but now they lied. Why'd you lie to me, chat? Why'd you lie to me, chat? Isaiah Hey, Pat, you're looking a little white for a Floridian. Get the fuck out of here. What in the fuck? Did your mommy not fucking like pat you on the back today or something? Like, you didn't get a little bit, your mommy didn't fucking hug you before you went to school or some shit? Like, literally just keep spamming the chat. I'm looking a little white for living in Florida. What the? Yeah, I'm fucking ginger, bro. What do you want me to like? Yeah, I live in Florida. Oh my God, Patrick, why do you look so white? You should be black. You live in Florida. Like, why are you not fucking dark black? Why are you not the color of the fucking the earth? If you just sit out in the sun all day. God. NASDAQ, NASDAQ, NASDAQ. We got the setup here as well on the QQQ, that pivot point that we just bounced off of. Will we get up into this level again for this end of day squeezy McSqueezerson? End of day McSqueezerson on the QQQ. 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 Like a bird. QQQ. QQ. Patrick, why are you so ugly? Oh man, they got me good. Got me good. Got me good. Well, this is not looking good for us, boys. Gonna get stopped out here. The trap is real. I didn't even wearing the shirt. Come on, Patrick. Oh, and then back up again. What did you want to be when you're younger? A pro surfer, maybe? Pro surfer, basically. My dream came true. My dream came true. Market's going nowhere fast. Just hitting our little yellow line there. Hitting our little yellow line right now. The NASDAQ following the Patrick Wieland little yellow line. Not looking too hot. Pivot point to the downside at the 15, 14, 614s there. Too much power in the hour. Too much power for this hour, boy. Boy. There's too much power for the hour. NASDAQ again down there to the 20s, right back up once again. Chop City here, chop City. Somebody asked me if I pray. Oh, buddy, I pray every morning. Please, little baby Jesus, help me make some money today. Little baby Jesus, will you please come on down from the heavens above and touch me and make me the money? I'm not long anymore. No, out of the long. Look at my little yellow trend line. The market makers, they follow it by the dot. How is your new car? It is new and nice. New and nice. What's the fastest I have gone in the McLaren? The speed limit. Only the speed limit. Only the speed limit. 70 miles an hour, top speed. I would never break the speed limit. No, no, no. You ain't baiting me into that. God. You crazy? Oh, one time I went to Mexico. One time when I was in Mexico, I went about 170 miles an hour. But that's a long story. Hey Patrick, are you mad today? Yes, very mad. I want to ban you. Goodbye for life. Still got 30 minutes here till the end of the day, and we've got Tesla earnings tonight, so the market just chopping around here at the 20s. The 5-minute chart right now. The trend. Just keeps consolidating there at the 20s. Ba-dum-ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. Isn't this a bull flag? I mean, in theory. See if we get over that 26 level. Where we'd have to get over. Start to break out here. Still just needs to go. Start pushing through this 33 level to get through there. Pump, 40-point pump coming. Oh, buddy. Talk dirty to me, boys. Market's trying to go straight up again. Get through this 33 level and then look for the next higher low pullback setup here into the end of day. If we can get through here. I'm only watching the NASDAQ and the QQQ. QQQ NASDAQ is all I'm watching here, boys. Right now, Apex is 80% off, by the way. We got giveaways going on this week. If you guys haven't already checked that out, it's $500. You can win onlyprofitfirms.com. Get the latest and greatest deals. We gave away $500 this morning live on YouTube. Oh, buddy. Market again stuck there at the 30s, just couldn't get through there. Back to the bottom of that range once again. Tree Climber said it's a short all the way. All the way to where, Tree Climber? All the way. Tree Climber said it's gonna go all the way short to 360. Okay. Everybody get short. It's a little aggressive, I feel like. Market continuing to just chop here. We've got Tesla earnings after hours. I think I might just go ahead and walk away now. This is not going anywhere. So that's it for me. Fuck it. This is just not what I want to trade here for power hour. Now that I walk away, it's probably going to end up going to the moon, but I'm over it. Fuck it. The last 30-40 minutes here going sideways. I mean, I guess we might as well wait until the fucking bell, but god damn it. God damn it, Billy. Can't deal with this. I chose to come back in the wrong hour. I should have came back between here and there. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Got 10 minutes until the 350 algorithm kicks in here. Market continuing to chop between the 30s and the 15s here. 15-point range pretty much since the last, well, since 3 o'clock. So just continue to move sideways here. 350 algorithm should get something to happen. Maybe. Back to the pivot once again. Looking pretty good for that head and shoulders to kind of play out here. If we get below that pivot, the email that you got, NUSP, check your fucking email, man. I sent you an email earlier today with the code. Come on, you keep asking the question. Check your email, check your spam. I sent you an email earlier today with the code for winning. Come on. People. Where do I get the code at? Where do I find code? Where do I get the code? Yeah, I sent you a fucking email, check it. Check your spam. I don't know. Sent you an email with the email that you signed up with. Yeah, I can't. The chat right now. All right, we prepare for the end of day. The 350 algorithm here in 6 minutes. 6 minutes till the 350 algorithm. Again, bouncing off that 19 level straight back up. Oh, buddy. If we get through this 33 area, I will get in long here. End of day squeezies. Got 5 minutes here until the 350 algorithm kick in. Mark again bouncing off of that pivot point for now. We got 4 minutes until the 350 algorithm. If we start to move down here, 570 area maybe. See what happens here at 350. 350 algorithm kicking in here. Again, right back up off of the pivot. Every day, 350, the end of day orders have to get executed, basically. Market on close orders have to be transmitted. Two minutes here till the 350 algorithm. Got 20 seconds here. Get ready. 350 algorithm kicking in, baby. Five, four, three, two, one. 350 algorithm is active. Again, down at the pivot point. And chop the back up there. See if we get this end of day sell through the 600s. Let's go. Either we're gonna get it, we get stopped out there. No sell through. Wow. Wow. A little bit of a FOMO entry there, wasn't it? Thought we were gonna just waterfall through that 10 level after below that pivot. Looking for this breakthrough the 600. If not, it's all good. We're gonna basically put my stop at break even now. If we get stopped out, it's all good in the hood. Oh, good. Giving it some space here, see if we get through the 600s end of day. Just not getting it. Stopped out there, break even. So we tried. It is what it is. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning for Wild Wednesdays. Talk to y'all then. And peace to the Middle East. Straight back up there now. What did he say? I didn't get 610. I got short. I stopped out. Oh, sorry. 25 cents higher. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It wasn't perfectly break even. I apologize, everybody in the chat. I want to be very transparent here. I was short at 610 and I got stopped out at the 610.25. So I do apologize for that. Please, everybody, don't report me to the fact police because just want to put that out there. I do apologize. Thank you guys for understanding. Mistakes are made, okay? Sometimes it happens. So thank you for understanding.